Welcome to my top 5 under 5 minutes video. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best free programs for graphic design and photo editing that you need to try now. These programs are great alternatives to expensive software like Photoshop or Illustrator, and they offer a lot of features and tools to help you create amazing graphics and photos. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, you'll find something useful in this list. So let's get started. The first program I want to talk about is Gimp. Gimp stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it's one of the most popular and powerful free programs for graphic design and photo editing. Gimp has a lot of features that you would expect from a professional software, such as layers, masks, filters, brushes, gradients, text tools, and more. You can use Gimp to create logos, icons, banners, posters, flyers, and any other graphic design project. You can also use Gimp to edit photos, such as crop, resize, rotate, adjust colors, brightness, contrast, remove blemishes, add effects, and more. Gimp is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Gimp is also very customizable and extensible, as you can download and install plugins and extensions to add more functionality and features to the program. Gimp is definitely a must-have program for graphic design and photo editing enthusiasts. The second program I want to talk about is Inkscape. Inkscape is a free vector graphics editor that lets you create and edit scalable vector graphics. Vector graphics are graphics that are made of mathematical shapes and curves rather than pixels. This means that they can be resized without losing quality or clarity. Inkscape is similar to Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW, and it has a lot of tools and features to help you create vector graphics. You can use Inkscape to create logos, icons, illustrations, diagrams, charts, maps, and more. You can also use Inkscape to edit vector graphics, such as modify shapes, paths, nodes, colors, gradients, patterns, strokes, fills, text tools, and more. Inkscape, compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Inkscape is also very customizable and extensible, as you can download and install extensions to add more functionality and features to the program. Inkscape is a great program for anyone who wants to create or edit vector graphics. The third program I want to talk about is Krita. Krita is a free digital painting and illustration program that lets you create stunning artworks with realistic brushes and effects. Krita is designed for artists who want to express their creativity and imagination with digital painting. Krita has a lot of features that make it a powerful and versatile program for digital painting. You can use Krita to create concept art, character design, comic books, manga, animation, and more. You can also use Krita to edit photos, such as crop, resize, rotate, adjust colors, brightness, contrast, add effects, and more. Krita has a lot of tools and features to help you create and edit your artworks, such as layers, masks, filters, brushes, brush engines, brush presets, color palettes, color selectors, color wheels, blending modes, transform tools, selection tools, text tools, and more. Krita is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Krita is also very customizable and extensible, as you can download and install plugins and extensions to add more functionality and features to the program. Krita is a great program for anyone who wants to create or edit digital paintings or illustrations. The fourth program I want to talk about is PIXLR. PIXLR is a free online photo editor that lets you edit your photos in your browser without downloading or installing anything. PIXLR is very easy to use and has a lot of features that make it a great option for quick photo editing. You can use PIXLR to edit your photos, such as crop, resize, rotate, flip, adjust colors, brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, temperature, tint, vibrance, sharpen, blur, remove red eye, remove blemishes, add effects, add stickers, add text, add frames, and more. PIXLR also has a lot of presets and filters that you can apply to your photos with one click, such as vintage, retro, black and white, sepia, sketch, and more. PIXLR is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. PIXLR also has a lot of tools and features that make it a powerful and versatile online photo editor, such as layers, history, undo, redo, zoom, crop ratio, free transform, auto fix, auto contrast, auto color, auto rotate, auto crop, and more. PIXLR is a great online photo editor for anyone who wants to edit their photos quickly and easily. The fifth and final program I want to talk about is CANVA. CANVA is a free online graphic design platform that lets you create stunning graphics for any purpose. CANVA is very user-friendly and has a lot of features that make it a great option for graphic design. You can use CANVA to create graphics for social media, websites, blogs, presentations, flyers, posters, invitations, cards, logos, infographics, resumes, and more. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, let me know in the comments which program you like the most, or if you have any other suggestions for free graphic design or photo editing programs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.